Hey, let's talk about another posture pattern. Flat spine, extension of the hips. What do you think that is? Oh, I think I just gave it away. Extension of the hips, flexion of the spine. Can you imagine being an athletic trainer having to deal with this? Or how about a personal trainer? Have they been able to identify that and be able to train their client properly with this type of condition? So many people, like sprinters, they're stuck here, which is a good thing because it's easy to run fast this way. Distance runners like to run here, okay? It's very common to see great distance runners running with a pogo stick type of back. However, if they start doing stuff like deadlifts, squats with weight on their back, this is a no-no. So here you got shock absorption. Here you do not. So anyway, if you're a manual therapist, you need to know the difference between how to work with someone who's stuck in excessive lordosis or flat back, flexion of the spine, extension of the hips. There's a different way to treat soft tissue. Cranially as well. We have the SBS mechanism where the sphenoid bone meets the occiput. It creates a joint called your SBS mechanism here. So someone who is in extension with the spine is going to have extension with the spine, and flexion of the spine is going to be different. However, we both have to clean up that joint with both those patterns. So we can do that by going into flexion, into extension on both directions, all right? And we'll clean up the other SBS movements as well, doing torsions, inferior strain, superior strain, and side bends. Once you clean that all up, it initiates the chain of events going down from the cranial vault, through the dura mater, out through the illiums to allow soft tissue to start changing before we start doing the manual work all in the body. Another hint, when someone's stuck into flexion of the spine, extension of the hips, do not work the adductors. I'll talk to you soon.